Welcome to Panasonic's world-class manufacturing facility for welding machines at Jajja, Haryana, India. Introducing Panasonic highly efficient water cooling unit for MIG and TIG welding applications, engineered to power through demanding welding tasks without breaking a sweat. Crafted for high amperage welding, this compact powerhouse delivers superior cooling efficiency, protecting both your welding torch and system during long continuous operations. With its quick installation setup, thanks to universal quick connectors, you're ready to go in minutes. The integrated safety flow switch monitors coolant flow in real time, ensuring reliable protection during every weld. Built for the real world, the Panasonic water cooling unit is rugged and portable, with a durable frame, overload and overcurrent protection, and sturdy handles for easy transport across job sites. Whether you're working on industrial builds, fabrication floors, or large-scale welding projects, this unit guarantees more consistent arc starts and prolonged torch life by maintaining optimal cooling throughout. Lightweight, reliable, and smart. Suitable in industries such as railways, shipyards, power, automotive, kitchen equipments, it's not just a cooling unit. It's your welding system's best line of defense. It's made in India and is RoHS compliant.
Panasonic.